99% of people replace the ink cartridge when the real problem isn't the cartridge at all. If your Epson printer says ink cartridge not recognized, don't assume your brand new cartridge is defective. The first thing we check is the cartridge's contact chip. Even a tiny piece of protective film or a cartridge that's not clicked in all the way can trigger this error. Take the cartridge out and inspect the chip carefully. Make sure all protective tape has been removed. Then reinstall the cartridge until it clicks securely into place. Restart the printer, then check if the error message is gone. If the message still appears, the issue is likely inside the printer, not the cartridge niche itself. Replacing cartridges repeatedly usually wastes time and money without fixing the real problem. At Printer IT Help, our certified technicians troubleshoot Epson printer issues remotely every day. Need help? Contact Printer IT Help today, and we'll quickly diagnose the problem and get you back to printing.